Well, welcome back. We're at another car show this weekend. We got Hot Rods and Hems out here in Flag Pond, Tennessee. Our buddy CJ, he's got the Country Classic Restoration YouTube channel. Go check it out. He's out here is for his church, so we decided to come out and support them. So let's walk around a minute and see what all's out here. A bunch of nice cars. We got some Chevelles and Mopars and a little bit of everything. Kind of an unusual car, 57 Chevy 150. Pretty nice though. I always like these because they got the 55 back half and the 57 front half. Four-speed car. A Jeep. A few Jeeps. Trans Am.
You're being video man today.
I'm video man today.
That's what I like. Play the same.
Did you ever go see it? I just want the motorcycle.
Nice Camaro. Looks good under the hood too. Pretty nice old Chevy truck. Wood floor. Big tire seat in. It's a 5-speed, 4-speed. Big block.
Smash it quiet.
Give me no mouth.
CJ's old Suburban. Just got it going, put a firewall in it there last week. Unusual.
It is, ain't it?
I bet that thing's fun to drive.
I bet it is.
Main golf cart. Got a few bikes out here. Everybody come out here to support the church. Got Colin Andrews from Daily Misfire. He's getting ready to go to Bristol tonight, so he trailered his Nova. They bought a few other cars. Good talking to him. There's a little dune buggy. Some square body. Nice orange. Real nice step side truck. Saw it at Burnsville show. Some new model Mustangs. Quite a few nice cars. New C8, 66 Impala. Pro Charge Mustang with Lamborghini doors. Pretty cool. Straight out of the 90s, looks like. Either 348 or 409 that one. Don't see that a whole lot. And swapped into, hey, that's got a 5-speed in it too. Don't see 409 swapped in a Bel Air a whole lot. SRT8 Challenger. 6-speed car. Got these crazy Jeep people over here. Nice Chevelle. '88 Dodge Diplomat Pursuit police car, real deal police car. It's a Will's car. He did the burnout contest in Poplar last year. He just got this one. Came out of Tennessee. And GTX.
This got like a truck coat.
Yeah, 68. Or no, 67. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about now.
Yeah. I'd like to have one too, just for road trips.
If I had one, I'd want that.
Yeah, I don't know. I like the way that one sits.
Yeah, but I'd want to Well, I'd like to do something back.
I'd probably put bags in the back just because I'd want to pull a trailer with it.
This is a weird looking wheel. I know what you're doing.
Yeah, I don't have feely heads though.
What's with the weird
Yeah. That golf cart's got a V8 and stuff in it on an S10 frame or something. That lawnmower's got a V8 in it too, small block. That was a big thing in the early 2000s, the Ram dip. One sticker missing. One sticker and two over there missing.
Very nice guy. He and I've been friends for several years now.
That's a good little car right there.
Yeah. They'll give me a heater box like that for money. AC delete box.
They run AC on one of them.
Yeah, I'm gonna run AC on the white one. It's the LS car. I'll leave a big block in the other one. The SS car I want nice. The other one I really don't care about. I'm gonna wrap it. Do the Dale wrap on it.
Somebody done the black tail wrap.
Yeah, I saw a video of one I got.
I started thinking
Yeah. That one's a junk car every week.
yeah,
It's got a Cadillac motor in it, like we pulled out of garage.
500.
Yeah, well.
That well, even 500 BC does.
That look good on Gary's truck.
This color?
Yeah. I'll do 17s and 15s. That's weird. Metropolitan.
Actually, it's still Nash, but it's not a Metro.
Oh, isn't it?
Nope.
Hey, did you sit Suburban up there? Big wheel?
Why should they call these back up? Because they ship them back up.
He's one of these.
But I don't know what the
Seats
actually are.
LT1.
He does cars and he does up postage too.
That's 6 low in there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm a soldier bound for glory.
That wraps it up. That was a great show today. Quite a few people out here. We're gonna head back to Limestone. We'll get some more work done on the C10, try and get it ready for Popper next weekend. It's gonna be a busy week, I got a feeling. So thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.